Hello everyone, and welcome back to my little corner of calm and chaos. If you're new here, hi, I'm Frishta and so happy you stopped by. Grab a warm drink, get cozy, and let's just breathe for a second together. Oh god, don't fall down. This video is about how to survive as an artist and as a full-time school student because right now I am completely burning out, and that's the reason there was no video for the past 3 weeks, but I think I'll figure it out after this video. I'm currently juggling 4 pieces at once. One was meant to be finished for this video and 3 more for my school art class. As you can see, they're all looking a little sad and abandoned on my desk. A couple are even missing because they were extra sad, and I couldn't bear to show them yet. Here are the reference photos I've been staring at for over 3 weeks now. We've basically become roommates who avoids eye contact. On top of that, I've been drowning in research for my other assessments, and at this point, a good cry feels like the only logical next step. But instead of melting into a puddle, I decided to step back, take a deep breath, and figure out, okay, where do I even begin? So today, I want to share the little technique that actually helped pull me out of it. I call it draw anything, but make it ugly. No pressure, no overthinking, just move your hand and let it be terrible on purpose. It sounds silly, but it actually works. I started with a random Pinterest photo for a quick warm-up, didn't love it, then I tried a city scene, but I left it exactly as it was, messy and proud. But then something shifted. These little moths and butterflies actually turned out kinda lovely. I was like, wait, hello creativity! Nice to meet you again. Feeling a tiny bit braver, I doodled this chaotic ship that's basically sinking in the most dramatic way possible. Took me literally 5 minutes to finish it. Next came this ridiculously cute dog. I have no idea where he came from, but getting that nose was low-key a war. Still, he's adorable now. The funny downside, once you do 3 or 4 of these, you suddenly can't stop. That's how this elegant swan appeared out of nowhere on the page, and I had to physically force myself to put the pencil down before I filled the whole entire sketchbook. By the end of it, I actually felt creative again. The heavy school stress had lifted just enough for me to go back to my real pieces with fresher eyes. It's such a small thing, but it always reminds me that sometimes you don't need a perfect plan. You just need to make something exist first. Well, that was my little exercise that I've been doing for quite a while, and it works perfectly. And I have so many video ideas that I want to make, and there's never enough time, so I think I'm just going to keep showing up and do as much as I can, but I won't promise it's going to be once a week a video. So, if you have any video suggestions or ways to handle burnout, please write them down in the comments. I read every single one of them and they genuinely make my day. And if you're someone going through a phase, I hope this little messy session brought you some joy and know that you're not alone. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video whenever it's ready. Bye!